All right, once you have your animal outline, you're going to need some scissors and a few magazines. And all you're going to do at this point is just go through and find different colors. So like I'm going to go through and find some different shades and tints of browns right now. So I'm going to go through the magazines and cut out any kind of browns that I can find, going from the values of very light, like these light browns here, then going to some medium browns, and then all the way to some dark browns. That's going to be for my background. So all you're doing at the beginning is finding colors that you're going to place for your background. Remember to cut out more pieces than you think you'll need, because you don't want to get to a point to where you've glued all your pieces on and then you still have white space. Then you have to go back and search for more magazine cutouts. Remember, we're just working on the background at this point. So you're finding any kind of colors that represent your ground or your sky or whatever kind of background you're going to have, and finding those colors in the magazines. So like for instance, I'm cutting out blues for my sky background, and I'm going to go from very light colored blues, as you can see how I'm separating them, and finding all the different shades and tints of blue, and then gradually put those on from light down at the bottom and going up to the top with my darkest blues. Remember, you could do your background in any color. So if you choose purple for your background, then just make sure you have the different values of purple for that. Now I'm going to start working on the animal, and I'm choosing to do this animal with purple colors, but I'm going to put the eyes on first just to make sure that I can work around those. And then I'm going to just choose purples and pinks and maybe some highlights of yellow in there to show like some glares on the pig. But then I'm just going to go on and just randomly put those, trying to put the darker ones where I know that there's shadows on the animal, and the lighter values on the more highlighted parts of the animal. Okay, so when you get through, it might look a little bizarre, kind of choppy, but as long as you can tell it's the animal you chose, then you've been successful.